Hi, Doc Plexus community. I'm Dr. Madhav, an eye surgeon from Jalna, attending the National Conference of All India Ophthalmic Society here in Gurgaon in year 2020. Here I have been seeing the changes in the field of ophthalmology, or for that matter, entire medical systems as such, and the technology and the science is evolving so fast, and especially context to the ophthalmology, we are changing every day. The new and some technologies is coming up. So what I have realized that the practice management for us is becoming very difficult. The investments are becoming very costly, and everybody is now looking after the ROI, and especially in the context of the dropping down the revenue per case, we have to look into the perfect investment strategies for this all. So I was here looking after this group practice, and what I realized in the recent past, that unless we come together or we corporate as ourselves, nothing is going to work as far as the investments and the ROI is concerned. Otherwise, if you are into the single-handed practice, what I have realized that end of the day, the peace of mind, the joy of life is going to get lost, because every time you are cribbing for the revenue per case, and whatever you are earning out of the machine in 5 years time, you upgrade that machine after 5 years and take entire chunk of these companies would take the chunk out of your pocket, and you start cribbing for the more investment in future, or the banks would be dancing on your head to make it the EMI every month. So what I am planning here, that can we think in a tier 2 and tier 3 cities of India, where most of us are working, because as I understand, the population in tier 2 and tier 3 is equally big in number, apart from the metros and the second line metros. But in this condition, can we make it a point to come together, join our hands together, and start with a setup where at least the high-end machines, which we can keep sharing amongst ourselves, invest into this, and make it a point that the downtime for the machine would be less, and obviously you use the machine to the maximum level. So the best part of would be that when I am using, say, a very high-end OCT machine, which is costing, say, 55 lakhs, 60 lakhs, so I need to see that the machine is utilized at an optimum level. But if I am a single-handed practitioner, obviously this machine, how many cases I can generate is maximum 8 to 10 cases in a day. But for the machine which is so expensive, 10 cases in a day may not be to that lucrative ROI. So best point, in my opinion, has to be that you come together, go for the costly equipments, build the common operation theaters. Now something beyond that, what I am trying to give a proposition to the state government, because the healthcare has become under the aegis of the state government. So what I have always felt, that can there be some kind of a investment by the government as well as the private practitioners as a separate company, and where the infrastructure of the building can be utilized from the government agencies, and we go by buying the equipments and ask our colleagues to use those equipments into that premises, take out the prime time theories, off prime time theories, and as far as all these costings and these are concerned, what I have always felt, that suppose you have going for the operation room equipments, the costly equipment, let it not only in the field of ophthalmology, but it can be, say, the ENT, neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, and so on. And effectively, once you start getting these equipments into this common setup, the infrastructure cost would go down, and you can share the machine, which can work at an optimum level, where everybody of us can utilize the high-end machine. This is the same principle which the auto cluster people have started using in the town of Aurangabad in Maharashtra, where there is an investment of more than 300 crore rupees, and they are using the machines, the CNC machines, which otherwise would have been expensive or less return on investment kind of the investments. These automobile industry people are using. So similar way, suppose an ophthalmic equipment is there, Centurion machine is there, it will be bought in the name of the company, and the doctors from in the morning and say 7 to 10 will use it at a prime rate, because everybody at 10 o'clock would like to go back to their OPD. Between 10 to 2, whosoever operates would have the off prime time. Between 2 to 5, again, it will be a prime time charge. And after 5:30 to 7:30 or 8 o'clock, that can be the off prime time charges. So all these equipments can be utilized similar way. Like if you buy the OCT, the high-end OCTR angiography machine, that can be utilized similar way, that there will be a technician sitting and you will have an access to share the screen of the OCT machine, and the printout will be given to the patient over there, and then the patient would come back for the counseling with you. So such kind of a partnership with the government or a PPP in the current context, what they call it as a public-private partnership, I think that should do well for all of us, as well as the cost cutting for the infrastructure building would be less. Effectively, we can offer the prime services at an optimum cost to the beneficiary, who is the patient, as a center of everything of the medical fraternity, what we have been thinking. Similar way, even if there is a the cardiac angiography flat panel cath lab, as they say, the cardiologist can use the machine, because what it has been realized in the recent past, that there are more than 5 or 6 cath labs in a small place having a population of hardly 5 or 6 lakhs in a second line district headquarters of most of the places here in India, and effectively none of us is doing a good business. And Ayushman Bharat and all these schemes are paying to the less extent, which is making again the ROI to be more difficult. So I think this is the point which I would like to ponder upon. Those who are interested, they can be in touch with me on my mail ID, as I would give it on the website as mambekar@yahoo.com. And I would be like to have your opinions about all these things. So we can try and make a vision document and try to give it to the state governments at everybody's level. Hopefully another 5 years down the line, अच्छे दिन सबको आ सकते हैं. So with this, I conclude, and I thank you all for patient hearing from my side. Thanks a lot.